are going to learn about electric field due to dipole on the equatorial plane. First, let's see about the diagram. First, we are going to draw dipole. Minus Q plus Q. Two charges separated by a small distance 2a. Total distance is 2a. Let this point is A and this point is B. The midpoint is O. Now the distance between A, O is A and OB is A. Now equatorial. Equatorial line is the line which places at equal distance between A and B. So this line will be the equatorial line. C. Consider a point C on the equatorial line. Now at C we placed a test charge Q0. Now this charge experiences an electric field due to plus Q is E plus. The direction of E plus is, here the charge is positive, so the direction of electric field is away from the charge. Now electric field at C due to minus Q is E minus. Here the charge is minus, so the direction of electric field is towards the charge. Here the length of E plus and E minus are same. E plus vector, E minus vector. Now the distance between O, C is R. This distance is A. This one is a right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this portion CB, this side will be R square plus A square the whole power 1 by 2. Here also like the same. The side CA will be R square plus A square the whole power 1 by 2. R square plus A square the whole power 1 by 2. This one is from Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now we are going to explain these terms. What is AB? It is an electric dipole. O is the midpoint between A and B. Midpoint between A and B. What is 2A? It is the distance between A and B. Distance between A and B. What is R? It is distance between point O and C. Now what is C? It is a point at distance R from O. What is E plus vector? It is the electric field at C due to plus Q. What is E minus vector? It's also electric field at C due to minus Q. In this diagram, one more term, P vector. What is P vector? It is the electric dipole moment. P means electric dipole moment. Its direction always from minus q to plus q. Its direction is this one. Now, E plus and E minus are not lying in the same line like axial line. So, here we are going to resolve E plus into two components, sin theta and cos theta. One component is parallel to AB. Another one is perpendicular to AB. So, here this angle is theta. So, angle between minus E and this one is theta. Here also this angle theta. This angle between E plus and this one is theta. E plus vector is resolved into two components, E plus cos theta, E minus cos theta, sin theta and cos theta. The formula for cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. For this angle, this side is the adjacent side. So, this will be E plus cos theta and this will be E plus sin theta. For this angle theta touches this line and this line. So, this line will be the adjacent. So, for E minus also, this component will be E minus cos theta and this direction is E minus sin theta. This we can see clearly in another one diagram. In this direction, two electric field, E plus cos theta, E minus cos theta. This one is E plus cos theta. This one is E minus cos theta. And this one is E plus sin theta. This one is E minus sin theta. All are vectors. Now, the value of E plus sin theta and E minus sin theta are equal and opposite. So, they cancel each other. Now, we are going to add E plus cos theta and E minus cos theta. Now, we are going to derivation form. What's the general formula for electric field? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. Here P cap is the unit dipole moment vector. E plus vector is equal to, we are going to derive E plus from this formula. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by, instead R square, we are going to substitute the distance between plus Q and C for E plus Q and C. So this distance we are going to substitute. So R square plus A square power 1 by 2, here 1 square. So 2 get cancelled, P cap. So the general formula for E plus vector equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square plus A square. Like the same wise, what is the formula for E minus vector? P cap. So here also P cap. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by, here also the same. So R square plus A square. Here E plus vector, E minus vector are same. So E plus vector equal to E minus vector. E total vector equal to, in this diagram, E plus E minus values are equal. So here the direction is opposite. So E plus sin theta, E minus sin theta, they cancel each other. Now we have E plus cos theta and E minus cos theta. So E total vector equal to summation of E plus cos theta and E minus cos theta. In this diagram, the direction of E plus cos theta and E minus cos theta is opposite to this direction, that is direction of P vector. So one minus sign will come. E total vector equal to minus E plus cos theta plus, here E minus vector is equal to E plus vector. So instead E minus we can put E plus vector cos theta. Now E total vector equal to minus, here same term comes twice. So 2 into E plus cos theta. Now instead E plus vector, we are going to substitute the value of E plus that we already derived. E total vector equal to minus 2 into the value of E plus vector is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q p cap by r square plus a square into cos theta. Now we are going to substitute the value of cos theta. Cos theta equal to, the formula for cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here theta, this angle is theta, so adjacent side is a by hypotenuse is this one, that is r square plus a square power 1 by 2. Now instead this cos theta we are going to substitute this value. So E total vector equal to minus, in the numerator we have 2q p cap, 2q p cap by, in the denominator 4 pi epsilon 0 r square plus a square. The value of cos theta is a by r square plus a square power 1 by 2. Now E total vector equal to minus 2q p cap a divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into, here two terms, r square plus a square, r square plus a square. Here for this one the power is 1, here the power is 1 by 2. So now we are going to add this power, 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. The base are same, so r square plus a square, 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Now we are going to add one condition, that is if the distance r is greater than a, then the term a is neglected. So E total vector equal to, now we are going to neglect the term a in denominator only, not in the numerator. So 2q p cap a divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square, a is neglected, the whole power 3 by 2. So these two get cancelled. So r cubed we have. E total vector equal to minus 2q p cap a divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube. Now p vector, dipole moment p vector, the formula is 2q a p cap. So instead 2q a p cap we are going to substitute p vector. So E total vector equal to minus p vector divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube. Otherwise this equation we can write as E total vector equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 p vector by r cube. Thank you.